There are many narrations of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, which discuss the virtue of visiting others, especially the sick. For example, a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 969, advises that the one who visits the sick, for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, in the morning, will be blessed by 70,000 angels until the evening, and the same occurs in the evening, and they are granted a garden in paradise. Even though this is undoubtedly a great deed, it is important for a Muslim to firstly perform this righteous deed solely for the pleasure of Allah, the Exalted. If they do it for any other reason, such as doing it so their relatives do not criticize them, then they will lose out on the reward. In addition, they should fulfill the etiquettes and conditions of visiting someone according to the teachings of Islam in order to obtain their reward. For example, in respect to the sick, they should not stay long thereby causing trouble to the sick person and their relatives. They should control their actions and speech so that they avoid all types of sins, such as gossiping, backbiting and slandering others. They should encourage the sick to be patient and discuss the rewards associated with it, and generally discuss beneficial matters in respect to the world and the hereafter. Only when one behaves in this manner, will they obtain the reward outlined in the narrations of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. If they fail in this, they will either gain no reward or they may well be left with sins depending on how they behave. Chapter 4 An-Nisa, verse 114.
No good is there in much of their private conversation, except for those who enjoin charity or that which is right or conciliation between people. And whoever does that seeking means to the approval of Allah, then we are going to give him a great reward.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.